Now, the word Rabb means a Lord who has 6 qualities. So there are 6 things, 6 major attributes to the word Rabb. Number 1, Rabb is someone who has complete possession and complete authority over anything, and he grows it and sustains it and fosters it and also provides for it, bestows everything on it, and does it all with love and care. So a bit of a Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim kind of situation here. Rabbil Aalameen means he is the Rabb of all the worlds. Now this is the most revolutionary concept ever in a religion. All the religions in the world had only talked about this world, the one world, and everyone thought that the earth was the center of the universe and the sun and the moon and the stars were just accessories in the sky. But Islam is the one religion which brought the true concept that there are many, many, many worlds beyond our world. And Allah Ta'ala is the Lord, the Rabb, the sustainer, the creator, the provider of all the worlds. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Very start of the Quran, 2nd verse, and Allah is showing you that there are many, many more worlds beyond yours, and your world is just a small speck in the total creation. Ayah number 3, the attributes of Rabb are described in detail. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. We've already done it in Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. So just to remember that when you say Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, that means the absolute beyond expectations, beyond your imagination, he gives you the love and care and mercy.